Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to give you a basic but solid understanding of different ways to make money. We're not talking about winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune from a long-lost relative. This is about putting in the work, understanding your options, and making smart choices for your future. We'll break it down into three categories: the hard way, fast but tough methods, the old way, the reliable and conventional path, and the new way, exciting online opportunities that could transform your life. Each path has its own set of pros and cons, and what works best for one person might not be the right fit for another. Whether you're looking to boost your savings quickly or explore long-term strategies, this video has got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, we have the hard way. As the name suggests, this isn't the easiest option. It demands effort, discipline, and long hours, but the financial rewards can be impressive. Imagine earning thousands of dollars a week or more. Sound good? Here's how you can do it. Let's talk about physical labor. I know, it's not glamorous. But if you're willing to put in the sweat, there are jobs out there that pay surprisingly well. Think construction, landscaping, working on an oil rig. These jobs are physically demanding, but they often come with overtime pay and bonuses that can really add up. For example, let's say you get a job as a welder on a construction project. You're working 60 hours a week, which is tough, but you're making $35 an hour plus time and a half for overtime. Do the math, and that's over $2,000 a week. Sure, you're going to be tired, but imagine the progress you could make on your financial goals with that kind of income. Now, if physical labor isn't your thing, but you've got skills in areas like IT, graphic design, or CAD drafting, contracting might be your best bet. Companies are always looking for skilled contractors for short-term projects, and they're willing to pay a premium for the right talent. The beauty of contracting is that you can often set your own rates and choose projects that align with your skills and interests. Plus, many contracting gigs come with the potential for overtime, which means even more money in your pocket. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and roses with the hard way. These jobs often require you to travel, stay away from home, and work long, irregular shifts. You might be away from family and friends, and you'll need to be comfortable with physically demanding work. However, if you're young, ambitious, and laser-focused on stacking cash, the hard way can be a fantastic way to accelerate your savings. Imagine saving up a massive down payment for a house or paying off your student loans in a fraction of the time. One thing to keep in mind is that lenders don't always love these types of jobs because they're less stable than traditional employment. But if you're strategic, you can use the hard way to build a financial cushion that will give you more options down the line. So whether you choose to dive into physical labor or leverage your specialized skills as a contractor, remember that the key to success is persistence and a clear financial goal. The hard way may be challenging, but the rewards can be life-changing. Stay focused, stay motivated, and watch your bank account grow as you work your way to financial freedom. And always remember, the effort you put in today will pave the way for a more secure and prosperous future. So gear up, get ready, and take the first step on your path to fast cash. Your journey to financial success starts now. Next, let's talk about the old way. This is the path most of us were raised to follow. Go to school, get a degree or an apprenticeship, and work your way up the ladder. It's a journey that many have taken before us, and it has stood the test of time. It's tried and true, and for good reason. This method has helped countless individuals build successful careers and stable lives. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, that sounds boring, but let's dig a little deeper. But hear me out. The old way is all about building a solid foundation for your future. Just like laying bricks to build a sturdy house, each step you take in your career adds to your overall stability. It's about stability, security, and the satisfaction of knowing that you've earned your success through hard work and dedication. There's a unique sense of pride that comes from knowing you've built something lasting. If you're just starting out, the first step is to figure out what you want from work. This might seem daunting, but it's crucial to understand your own aspirations and goals. Do you want a job that pays the bills but gives you plenty of free time to pursue your passions? Maybe you value a balanced work-life dynamic where you can enjoy your hobbies and spend time with loved ones. Or are you driven by the desire to climb the corporate ladder and make a real impact in your field? Perhaps you have ambitions to lead, innovate, and leave a mark in your industry. Once you've got a sense of your career goals, it's time to get to work. This means dedicating yourself to continuous learning and improvement. Whether you're in finance, healthcare, tech, or any other field, focus on building your skills and knowledge. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Get certified, attend industry events, network with people in your field, and always be on the lookout for opportunities to learn and grow. These activities not only enhance your skills, but also expand your professional network. The old way is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about pacing yourself and making steady progress over time. It's about making smart choices, putting in the effort, and gradually working your way up the ladder. Each decision you make should be a step towards your long-term goals. You might not get rich quick, but you'll build a solid reputation, gain valuable experience, and position yourself for long-term success. These milestones are the building blocks of a fulfilling career, and here's a bonus. Lenders love this path. Financial institutions appreciate the reliability that comes with a stable career. If you're thinking about buying a house, getting a car loan, or making other big financial commitments, a steady job and a clear career trajectory are exactly what lenders are looking for. They want assurance that you can meet your financial obligations. They want to see that you're a reliable borrower with a proven track record of earning a steady income. This reliability can open doors to better financial opportunities. So while the old way may not be flashy, it's a proven path to financial security and stability. It's about creating a life where you feel secure and confident in your future. It's about building a career that you can be proud of, earning a comfortable living, and setting yourself up for a bright future. In the end, the effort you put in today will pay off in the form of a stable and rewarding career. Chapter 3. The new way unlocking your online earning potential. Now for the part you've been waiting for, the new way. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities, and making money online is more accessible than ever before. From the comfort of your home, you can tap into a global market and reach audiences far and wide. But don't let the convenience fool you. This method takes dedication, creativity, and consistency. It's not just about having a good idea, it's about executing it well and sticking with it even when the going gets tough. One of the most exciting platforms out there is YouTube. With over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, the potential to reach a massive audience is immense. Think about it. You can create videos about literally anything you're passionate about. Gaming, cooking, fitness, personal finance, you name it. The possibilities are endless, and there's always an audience out there looking for content that resonates with them. The key is to bring your unique personality, your expertise, and your enthusiasm to every video you create. Authenticity is what will set you apart from the millions of other creators out there. Once you've got a few videos under your belt, it's time to monetize your channel. This is where the real fun begins. YouTube's partner program lets you earn money from ads that run on your videos. It's a straightforward way to start generating income. The more views you get, the more ad revenue you can generate. It's that simple. But remember, it's not just about the numbers, it's about creating content that people want to watch and share. But here's the secret sauce. Leverage social media to grow your audience. Social media platforms are powerful tools for driving traffic to your YouTube channel. Share your videos on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Each platform has its own unique audience and style, so tailor your content to fit each one. Engage with other creators in your niche, leave thoughtful comments on similar content, and always link back to your channel. Building a community is crucial for long-term success. The more visible you are, the more people will discover your content. Visibility is key, and the more you interact, the more you'll grow. And as your audience grows, so too will your earning potential. You can explore sponsorships, brand deals, affiliate marketing, and even create your own merchandise to sell to your loyal fans. Merchandise can be a great way to connect with your audience and offer them something tangible, and it doesn't stop there. The online world is full of opportunities waiting to be explored. You can diversify your income streams by creating online courses, writing ebooks, or offering coaching services. The possibilities are endless. Each of these avenues allows you to share your knowledge and expertise in different ways. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. It's a journey filled with ups and downs, but the rewards can be worth it. You'll need to be consistent with your content, engage with your audience, and constantly adapt to the ever-changing landscape of the internet. Staying updated with trends and being flexible in your approach is crucial. But if you're willing to put in the work, the new way can be incredibly rewarding. The sense of accomplishment and the potential financial freedom are just the beginning. You'll have the freedom to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and be your own boss. Imagine the flexibility and the control over your own schedule. And who knows, you might even turn your passion into a full-time income, or even a dream lifestyle. The sky's the limit when it comes to unlocking your online earning potential. That's it for today. We've covered the hard way for quick savings, the old way for stability and long-term growth, and the new way for creative and flexible online opportunities. The hard, the old, and the new way. Which one will you choose? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which path interests you the most, or if there's another method you'd like me to explore. Remember, no matter the method you choose, success comes down to finding what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.